Hello everyone. I am Dr. Nilanjana Bhattacharya Nath from Swami Vivekananda Institute of Modern Science. Today my topic is pleiotropism. When we discussed Mendel's experiment, for example with purple flowered and white flowered plants, we did not mention any other phenotypes associated with the two flower colors. Mendel noticed that flower colors were also correlated with two other features: color of seed coat and color of the axil. In plants with white flowers, the seed coats and axils were colorless, while in plants with purple flowers, the seed coats were brown to grey and axils were reddish. So Mendel concluded that the one character, the flower color, basically affected more than one character of that particular plant. So genes like this, which affect multiple aspects of an organism phenotype, are said to be pleiotropic. Pleo means many, tropic means effect. So a change in a single character, for example, a change in a single enzyme will disrupt a single biochemical pathway of a human being, and it frequently has more than one effect on phenotype, and these multiple effects are referred to as pleiotropism. A single gene often influences more than one pleiotropic trait, and most genes have their multiple effects and are called pleiotropic genes. And the phenomenon of multiple effect of a single gene is called pleiotropism. Pleiotropy in human genetic disorder. Example is phenylketonuria. In human, the gene for disease phenylketonuria has pleiotropic effect and produces various abnormal phenotypic traits. The people suffering from phenylketonuria affected with this due to lack of a liver enzyme called phenylalanine hydroxylase that converts the amino acid phenylalanine into tyrosine. As a result, this phenylalanine is accumulated and converted into phenylpyruvic acid and other derivatives, and the accumulation takes place in their urine, cerebrospinal fluid and blood. Pleiotropy is a phenomenon in which the single gene has multiple effect on a phenotype. This is an example of pleiotropy. And phenylketonuria is an inborn error of metabolism. This is also inherited as the autosomal recessive trait. Inheritance of phenylketonuria for a child having phenylketonuria, both the mother and father must have and pass on the defective gene. And this pattern of inheritance is known as autosomal recessive inheritance. Symptoms of phenylketonuria: due to the accumulation of phenylalanine in the brain, it results mental retardation, and they also excrete phenylalanine in their urine because of its poor absorption by the kidney. And other symptoms are fair skin with blue eyes because phenylalanine cannot transform into melanin. This is the pigment responsible for our hair and skin tone. Abnormally small head, delayed growth, intellectual disability, and some neurological problems are also there. Other than phenylketonuria, there are several examples. One is sickle cell disease. Sickle cell disorder results from the development of abnormally shaped red blood cells. Normal red blood cells have a biconcave, disc-like shape and contain enormous amounts of protein called hemoglobin. And we all know hemoglobin helps red blood cells bind to and transport oxygen to cells and tissues of the body. Sickle cell is a result of a mutation in the beta globin gene. This mutation results in red blood cells that are sickle shaped, which causes them to clump together and become stuck in blood vessels, blocking normal blood flow. The single mutation of the beta globin gene results in various health complications and causes damage to multiple organs, including the heart, brain, and lungs. Another example is frizzled feather trait. This is an example of pleiotropy seen in chickens. Chickens with this particular mutated feather gene display feathers that curl outward as opposed to laying flat. And with addition to these curled feathers, other pleiotropic effects include a faster metabolism and enlarged organs. The curling of the feathers leads to a loss of body heat, requiring a faster basal metabolism to maintain homeostasis. Other biological changes include higher food consumption, infertility, and sexual maturation delay. Thank you.